Good morning, everyone. Father Nature here with Star. This morning she's a little upset about Braveheart passing away. They all know they are in a whole different realm than humans. According to the Bible, God created nature first and people last. That is because they are closer to the Great Spirit. So, Star is upset. She looks towards him. No more howling. No more roaring. Just peace and quiet over that way. She's looking right where he came from. Truly amazing, I'm just telling you, everybody, how sensitive these animals are. When we knew we were going to get Star, we were actually going to put her in the cage where Braveheart was kept here. But when we picked up Star, we saw Braveheart and we thought we should bring him along home. And we did. So she basically kind of gave up her area for Braveheart. She knows that because we told her that. But now that Braveheart is gone, we're actually going to clean up the whole exhibit, redo it, freshen it up, add some new features, and that's where we're going to put Star. Star's actually going to go over there where Braveheart was. And then we're still going to build a large enclosure. But it takes off some of the pressure for the fundraising. Yes, we still want to raise the funds to build a big thing. But now the time frame has changed a little bit. You are so pretty. It's okay.